Since its origin, its creation, Danone is a company with what we call internally the dual project, which means that for us a company to create long-term economic value has to create also social value. Social value in the broad sense, it's environment and social. And we believe that we have to, as a leading company, we have to innovate in the field of mixing economic value creation and social value creation, and we have to do it in a way that is linked to the mission of Danone. The mission of Danone is to bring health through food to as many people as possible. As a large food company, Danone is emitting quantities of carbon. We have decided to reduce those emissions, and we have an aggressive target of reducing per 30% in 4 years, between 2008 and 2012, those emissions produced by our energy of the plants, the packaging, the transportation of our products, etc. But on top of the reduction, we want to offset emissions, and we want to do it not just in buying carbon credits, but in generating programs that have a link between, make a link between climate change and food security. Mangrove plays a key role for people in Senegal. It's about fish, it's about oysters, it's about wood, and it's also about preventing, avoiding salty water to come into the rice pads. So when the mangrove is destroyed, there are a lot of communities' resources that disappear. So we have partnered with a local organization called Oceanium. They had started to replant mangroves with villages, and we have analyzed the potential of this project and also the potential of this organization. And we decided to finance this project through the carbon mechanism. So in 2009, this organization with 300 villages was able to plant 36 million mangrove trees, which is probably one of the largest mangrove restoration projects in the world. And this year, in 2010, they have planted 60 million trees. So it's about 100 million trees that have been planted by a little bit more than 300 villages, 100,000 people mobilized to, in fact, restore the resources of their community. It's not about philanthropy, it's not a donation. We invest in this community and we get back carbon credit. Of course, it's a risky investment, it's not a very common investment, but we believe that it's an innovative way to fuel projects which usually remain very small. And in this case, in a few years, thanks to the condition, the mobilization, it has come to a scale that is significant. What we have done since the launch of this project in Senegal is to start other projects. So we have started other projects in different areas or similar areas, such as a large project of agroforestry in India and another mangrove restoration project in India. And we are working on other projects in Latin America and in Africa. If we can make the link between, as we have done in Senegal, high potential of carbon sequestration of ecosystem and poverty reduction and food security, we will really bring something to the society.